Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Crypto Scoop. If you're new to crypto or just curious about mining in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of crypto mining, what it is, how to get started, and the top platforms you should know about. Let's jump in. First up, what exactly is crypto mining? Think of it as a race where computers compete to solve complex puzzles. When they win, they validate transactions and earn crypto rewards. Sounds simple, right? But here's the thing. Not every coin can be mined, and mining for Bitcoin these days is super competitive. So, what do you need to get started? First, a mining device. That's either a GPU rig or a dedicated ASIC miner if you want serious hashing power. Next, you'll need mining software like NiceHash, CG Miner, or Phoenix Miner. Don't forget to join a mining pool. I'll break those down in a sec. And of course, you'll need a crypto wallet to collect your rewards. Now, where should you mine in 2025? Here are some top picks. First, NiceHash. It's hands down the easiest for beginners. Just install it, and it picks the best coin to mine and pays you in Bitcoin. For Windows users, Cryptex is super user-friendly, runs in the background, and pays in BTC. Perfect if you've got a decent gaming PC. If you've got your own hardware and want steady payouts, check out Via BTC or F2 Pool. Both are trusted mining pools, and F2 Pool lets you mine over 40 different coins, including Kaspa and Dogecoin. For anyone managing multiple rigs, HiveOS gives you a slick dashboard to keep things running smoothly. Not ready to buy gear? Cloud mining could be an option with services like ECOS, Bidier, or Genesis Mining. But be careful, always research and watch out for scams. Quick tips before you jump in. Electricity costs can make or break your profits. Don't expect to get rich quick. Research your coin. Ethereum, for example, can't be mined anymore, and look into newer coins like Kaspa, Ergo, or Lithium. They're often easier and more profitable for beginners. Crypto mining is a wild ride, but with the right setup and realistic expectations, it can be a fun way to earn some digital coins. Smash that like button if you learned something, and drop a comment if you want a step-by-step mining tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily Crypto Scoop for more fresh crypto content every single day. Catch you in the next one.